Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to forage in Project Zomboid. First, open the Investigate Area panel by clicking the magnifying glass icon on the left side of your screen. This brings up the search interface, showing your surroundings and lets you access search mode. Next, click Enable Search Mode. Your screen will blur except for a circle around your character. That's your foraging search radius. Now walk around within that radius. As you move, you'll occasionally see a white eye icon appear above your character's head. That means you're close to something you can forage. When it solidifies, stop and look for a small arrow pointing toward the hidden item. Follow the arrow, and once you're close enough, an item icon will appear on the ground. Right-click the item and choose Pick Up to add it to your inventory. This gives you foraging XP, which increases your skill and expands your search radius over time. You can find lots of stuff while foraging depending on your skill. Foraging works best in vegetation, fields, and forests. Urban areas don't yield as much natural stuff, and higher foraging skill boosts how much and how far you can find items. And that's how you forage in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.